This exercise is about finding access to memory, being relaxed about it and strengthening it. It consists of placing an object in an unfamiliar place and finding it again when needed. Exercise. For example, do the exercise like this. You decide to place your phone where you would not normally leave it, for example, on the table in the living room.
Zum Beispiel auf dem Tisch im Wohnzimmer.
Then memorize the place visually and mentally. Then go away. Forget about it without worrying. The next morning, imagine it visually. You will be surprised. The table where you put the phone pops up in your memory by itself. Feel your delight in fetching it. Allow yourself to be amazed that it worked. Pay attention to the following during the exercise. Choose the item you want to put away. Decide where you want to put it and calculate the risk so that it's right for you. Let your gaze rest on the place where you would put the object. Use your thinking to sharpen the image of this place, the edge of the table, the white tablecloth, the sunflowers. Let go of the inner picture taken, relax with confidence, and return to your everyday business. If you want to take the item back again, imagine it. You will notice that the memory of where the item is placed appears in your memories of its own accord. Depending on how you are predisposed, it appears as an image of the place, as a verbal expression, or as a term. Feel the joy, the wonder, the relief, and the gratitude that comes when you take the item up. The purpose of the exercise is being immersed in action, being able to release it and leave it to the unconsciousness. Being able to access the memory when needed without stress. If you make this process to a habit, you'll work with laws of memory formation and strengthen your memory power significantly. This was the first exercise of a series of 7 sequences, each with a practical everyday exercise and a complementary eurythmy exercise. The eurythmy exercise will be showed in a separate video. Perform these exercises for 1 or 2 weeks and then switch to the next sequence.